Toppers. Okay, these are the portal white ribbons sold at MOONEYES. Come in a variety of sizes. Each one is sold separately. This is an 18-inch white ribbon, and you're going to need one for each side, and we're going to install this on a motorcycle tire. In order to install our Whitewall Toppers, you're going to need a method of putting air, because we have this handy dandy little air canister here, and a way to remove the valve stem from the tire, which is a simple tool like this. And you want to take a safety precaution. And so the first thing we do is you got to get a tire. So we have a tire here. This is a Harley-Davidson wheel that we're going to use as an example. Most of these motorcycle tires have inner tubes, and which will make installation actually easier. You don't need to take the tire off all the way. You just got to make sure all the air is out. So in order to do that, get your valve stem, and this is the simplest way to remove the air, is you take the valve stem off. But you want to try to remove a lot of air as possible by the simple method like this, pushing it in. But you have one of these valve stem removers, and you can easily... Okay, and once you take your valve stem off and all the air is out, you want to break the bead from the side of the tire, from the inside of the rim, simply by pushing down until it breaks. Basically is what they call it. And you work your way around and make sure all the air is out. And once that happens, it's pretty loose. This is as far as you need to go to remove. So this is about as far as you'll go to remove the tire. Portal wall. Like I said earlier, this is an 18-inch portal wall sold at MOONEYES. Come in various sizes. For motorcycles, there are two types of Whitewall Toppers that you can pick. Sewer. And once you get it lined up, this piece here is what you want inside, behind the wheel, or behind the rim, and in between the tires. So you want to drop it in, like so. It's made of synthetic rubber, so it's very flexible and very sturdy and strong. You just want to work your way around, and you'll have to tug at it. Once it's lined up, you just want to make sure it's all flat and it's not uneven in any place. You can see where there's like a little bead here of a line that lines up with the rim of the tire, and that kind of gives you a guideline. You work your way around, and that's about it actually. So once you're set up this way, you want to do both sides, because you're going to need white walls on both sides of your tire. So for 18-inch white ribbons, you can choose 2.3 centimeter thickness or 3.0 centimeter thickness. There's two types you can choose. You want to start off by filling it just a little bit, and not too much, where the bead starts to meet back with the rim. And as you're filling up, you want to check around and make sure everything is flat and lined up. You want to make sure you check both sides as you're doing it, and then slowly fill up your air. Good to go. So it looks like once it's filled up and put together, and your last finishing touch, your line on the valve stem, bolt. You're all set.